It starts with one. All I know, so unreal. Watch you go. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself of a time when in spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I
tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday, Zaira!
It's you and me, moving at the speed of light into eternity. Tonight is the night. You join me in the middle of ecstasy. Feel the melody and the rhythm of the music around you, around you. I'ma take you there, I'ma take you there. So don't be scared, I'm right here, baby. We can go anywhere, but first, it's your chance. Take my hand, come with me. It's like I waited my whole life for this one night. It's gonna be me, you, and the dance floor. 'Cause we only got one night. Double your pleasure, double your fun, and dance forever. You with this.
Si Ashley, nung maliit pa yan, talaga namang masayayin siyang bata and then mapagmahal na anak. Sweet. And hanggang sa paglaki niya is nakikita ko kung gaano siya kasipag sa kanyang pag-aaral and then kung paano rin siya na-involved noon sa church.
Side of it all, the darkness
Si Ashley, isang masipag na bata, masunurin, mabait, higit sa lahat, marunong umintindi ng mga bagay na talagang nakakatuwa sa kanya. At i-describe ko lang na mabuting bata at masipag at patalino.
Don't be unhappy.
Hello Ash, happy birthday syempre, unang-una. I wish you all the best. Mag-enjoy ka this night yan na yung pasimula ng adulthood mo. So as your kuya, syempre mapapayo ko lang sa'yo na hanggat may opportunity ka, gawin mo yung best mo in every way possible. Okay? So yan, happy birthday ulit and God bless.
See your true colors shining through. I see your true.
May you step into adulthood with courage, grace, and faith in yourself. May your dreams grow bigger, your heart stay kind, and your journey be guided with love, wisdom, and purpose.
Andito lang kaming mga ate mo for you. Kung may mga rants ka and problems, handa kaming makinig at damayan ka. Happy birthday ulit and enjoy your day!
Your true colors shining through.
I may not have been part of your life from the beginning, but I have seen how much love surrounds you. From your family, from your friends, and everyone who helped shape the person you are becoming.
To let them show your true.
Anak, Ashley, ang advice ko sa'yo ngayong 18 ka na, nawa kung ano man yung mga goals mo sa iyong life ay ma-achieve mo. And then kung ano man yung mga plans mo for the next journey ng iyong buhay is wag mong kakalimutan na lagi mo i-consider si God sa lahat ng mga plans mo. Nandito lang kami anak, lagi nakasuporta sa'yo. And God bless. We love you.
Can't remember.
Paalala ko lang sa'yo, igalang mo ang iyong ama at ina. Ito ang unang utos na may kalakip na pangako. Ikaw ay giginhawa at hahaba ang iyong buhay. So always anchor your life to God. Kasi He will never fail you. Kaya happiest 18th birthday. I love you so much.
I will always be there, and I see your true colors shining through. I see your true.
Basta alam mo na lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo. Wala man na si auntie, alam mo namang mahal na mahal kita. Kahit anong mangyari, andito lang ako for you.
To let them show your true.
Palagi niyo ako ginagabayan and I'm thankful na I have someone to call as my ate and my sister.
Like a rainbow.
Again, happy birthday anak. I love you and enjoy the night and enjoy the happily legally now na 18 ka na. Lagi mo iisipin na nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo.